In
this battle, my PT boat takes all 3 caps and sinks 2 destroyers and survives the battle. The range of the torpedoes is 10 kilometers. Those things are less than 6, so I fire is spread at them. This is a Japanese Type 15 motor torpedo boat. I want to use a light cruiser, the Yagano, but I start these battles off when the caps are close with the coastal boats in order to get them some research and to get some. See, now the other team's losing tickets, so it gives our team a kind of like a head start. I don't expect the PT boat to live very long. What I'm doing right now is I'm reloading the torpedoes, taking on new ones. Alright, I got my new torpedoes. So now we're going to head for B. I don't want to fire torpedoes at ships that have land between them and me. That's silly. They have to be within 10 kilometers. That was me calling artillery, I think. I'm calling artillery behind me. To cover the cap I just took. Now, the way you aim torpedoes is you first acquire a target, and then a gray cone, which is not appearing in this video, shows up, and you line up the green cone over the gray cone, and that means that if the target doesn't change course or speed, you'll get a hit.
Target 特定。駆逐艦
300 3000メートル。
魚雷発射。
So we just did that to the Ranberry. And I think we fired at one of these destroyers over there, too. We're taking the second cap.
取りかじ。了解。取りかじ。
Calling artillery again.
敵艦が傾いて失速している。
One torpedo hit. Alright, we're loading. But the only time I use the reload ammo function is in enduring conflict when you go through a lot of ammo and PT boats loading torpedoes. Alright, bonsai. Which is what I said. And the other torpedo hit.
Omokaji. 了解。Omokaji.
Oh, we didn't hit the Ranberry. I wonder who we hit. Or maybe we did hit it, but we didn't sink it. Could have been one of them first 4 torpedoes hitting one of them boats that sank something. Now we use all 4 torpedoes on the Ranberry. I probably didn't need to fire these other ones, but I want to make sure. I figure he's going to sink me pretty soon. And we take A. And we're reloading torpedoes when the battle ends.
面かじ
了解面かじ
ターゲット特定駆逐艦
340 7000
And that's that. Thanks for watching.